Hello, parents and my dear students. Welcome to Aerodat School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 7568077458. Class 5, Subject English Grammar, Chapter 2, Lecture number 4. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school class will be opened, then you may clear to related teacher. Students, इस लेक्चर के दौरान अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो वो डाउट आप अपनी नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए. जब भी आपके स्कूल्स रीओपन होंगे तो वो डाउट आप अपने रिलेटेड टीचर से क्लियर कर लीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ टेक आउट ए बुक एंड टर्न टू पेज नंबर 12. स्टूडेंट्स, अपनी बुक निकालिए और पेज नंबर 12 उसमें खोलिए. Okay, so in the previous lecture we were done with exercise number 3 and 4. Students, हमने पिछले लेक्चर में चैप्टर 2 की एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 और 4 कंप्लीट कर ली थी. एंड नाउ वी हैव एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5. अब हमारे पास कौन सी एक्सरसाइज है? एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो लेट अस बिगिन विद दिस. चलिए इससे शुरुआत करते हैं. Okay, write the opposites of the following words. So what you have to do, students, you have to write the opposites of the following words given. Students, आपको क्या करना है? Write, लिखिए the opposites, विपरीत शब्द, विरोधार्थी शब्द of the following words. नीचे दिए गए शब्दों के आपको विपरीत या विरोधार्थी शब्द लिखने हैं. Okay students, so चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. The first word is, पहला वर्ड है हमारा big. What is the first word? Big. Okay, so what is the opposite of big, students? Big का opposite क्या होता है? Yes, क्या होता है? Small. So write, लिखिए students, पेंसिल से लिखिए आप S M A double L, स्मॉल. लिखिए S M A double L, small. So our next word is many. What is our next word? Many. M A N Y, many. Now what is the opposite of many? Many का opposite क्या होता है students? Yes, few. क्या होता है? फ्यू. तो लिखिए अपनी पेंसिल से F E W. लिखिए F E W, few. Now what is the third word? Yes, calmly. What it is? Calmly. CALMLY, calmly. Here the letter L is silent. यहाँ पर L जो word है वो silent है. Okay students, so what is the opposite of calmly? It's noisily. What it is? Noisily. क्या है calmly का opposite? Noisily. So write it. लिखिए students, NOISILY. yes, लिखिए फिर से. I'm repeating it again. NOISILY, noisily. Done? Okay, now the fourth word is destroyed. What is the fourth word? Destroyed. And what is the opposite of destroyed? Destroyed का opposite क्या होता है students? It is built. क्या होता है? Built. So write it. लिखिए BUILT, built. लिखिए students, BUILT, built. Now what is the next word? Fifth one, collect. What is the fifth one? Collect. And what is the opposite of collect? Spread. What is the opposite of collect? Spread. 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 Done? Very good. Now, moving to the next word. Our next word is go. What is our next word? Go. G-O, go. So, what will be the opposite of go? Yes, it will be come. क्या होगा go का opposite? Come. So, write it. लिखिए C-O-M-E. C-O-M-E, come. Okay, so what is our next word? It is week. What it is? Week. W-E-A-K, week. Now, what is the opposite of weak? Weak का opposite क्या होगा? It will be strong. What it will be? Strong. Write it. लिखिए students. S-T-R-O-N-G. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Done. Now the next word is H-A-R-M, harm. F-U-L, full. Harmful. Harmful. Okay students, here read this word very carefully. इस word को बहुत ही ध्यान से देखिए और पढ़िए. Harmful. Okay, so if you remember the rule number 6, where it was said that you have to replace the word, the suffix full with the suffix less. Students, अगर आपको रूल नंबर 6 याद हो तो वहाँ कहा गया था कि आपको जो सफिक्स है यानी जो वर्ड के पीछे FUL लगा है फुल, उसे हटाकर वहाँ पर लेस लगाना है. क्या लगाना है? LESS, less. So, what will be the opposite of harmful? It will be harmless. So, write it. यहाँ लिखिए HARM, harm. LESS, less. Harmless. HARM, harm. LESS, harmless. Done? Okay. So what is our next word? So our next word is like. What is our next word? It is like. L-I-K-E, like. So what will be the opposite of like? Okay, students, read this word very carefully and try to remember rule number 1. Okay, so what was there in rule number 1? In rule number 1, it was said that some words can be formed by adding dis before them. So, if we add dis before like, it will be dislike, and it is the most appropriate opposite of like. Okay, students, याद कीजिए रूल नंबर 1 को. उसमें कहा गया था कि आपको कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसके आगे आप dis लगाएंगे तो वो उसका ऑपोजिट वर्ड बन जाएगा. सो वी विल राइट डिसलाइक एज ऑपोजिट ऑफ लाइक. हम डिसलाइक को लाइक का ऑपोजिट लिखेंगे. सो राइट इट. लिखिए DISLIKE. राइट इट अगेन. Okay, DISLIKE, dislike. Now moving to the next word. Okay, so here the 10th word is empty. EMPTY, empty. So what will be the opposite of empty? It will be full. What it will be? Full. So write it. FULL. 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 Done? So let us move to the next word. Okay, so the next word is right. RIGHT, right. And what will be the opposite of right? So students, usually there are two opposites of right. First one is left and the second one is wrong. But this time we are talking about the direction or the side. Students, वैसे तो right के दो opposites होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन पहला वाला है लेफ्ट यानी दायां और सेकंड है रॉन्ग यानी गलत. बट इस बार हम जो डायरेक्शन है या साइड है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पर दिशा की बात हो रही है. सो वी विल राइट लेफ्ट. क्या लिखेंगे हम? लेफ्ट. राइट इट. LE लिखिए. LEFT, लेफ्ट. LEFT, left. Now the next word is love. What is the next word? Love. LOVE, love. So what will be the opposite of love? Love का opposite क्या होगा students? It will be hate. What it will be? Hate. So write it. लिखिए HATE. HATE, hate. Done? Now let us move to the next word. Our next word is beautiful. What it is? Beautiful. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. So we can't apply rule number 6 over here. Students, हम रूल नंबर 6 यहाँ पर अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे जस्ट बिकॉज यहाँ पर FUL फुल लगा है, लेकिन हम यहाँ पर रूल नंबर 6 अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. So what will be the opposite of beautiful? It's ugly. What it is? Ugly. Write it. लिखिए. Beautiful का opposite क्या होगा? Ugly. UGLY, ugly. UGLY, ugly. Done? Now what is the next word? It's hard. What it is? Hard. HARD, hard. What is the next word? Hard. So what will be the opposite of hard? Hard का opposite क्या होगा students? Soft. What will be the opposite of hard? Soft. So write it. लिखिए SOFT, soft. SOFT, soft. Okay. So what is our next word? Okay, so 15th word is kind. What it is? Kind. KIND, kind. And what will be the opposite of kind? Okay, so students, if you remember here, rule number 2, it was mentioned in rule number 2 that if you add UN before words, they will form a opposite of it. ओके, सो रूल नंबर 2 में ये कहा गया है कि अगर आप UN वर्ड से पहले लगाएंगे, किसी भी वर्ड के आगे अगर UN लगा देंगे, प्रीफिक्स में UN लगाएंगे, तो वो वर्ड उसका ऑपोजिट बन जाएगा. सो वी विल जस्ट पुट UN बिफोर काइंड. हम काइंड के आगे UN लगाएंगे, सो वी विल गेट अवर opposite. Okay, actually there are two opposites of kind के दो opposites हैं. First one is unkind and second one is cruel. Okay, cruel आप cruel भी लिख सकते हैं और unkind भी लिख सकते हैं. So if you want to write unkind, you can write UNKIND. UNKIND. नेक्स्ट इज क्रूअल. अगर आप चाहें क्रूअल लिखना तो आप क्रूअल लिख दीजिए CRUEL. CRUEL, क्रूअल. डन. ओके, सो our next word is rich. What is our next word? Rich. RICH. So what will be the opposite of rich? It will be poor. क्या होगा rich का opposite? Poor. So write it. लिखिए POOR. 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 Okay, done. Now coming to the next word. It is strong. What is the next word? Strong. 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 So if you remember, students, we have done this word in our exercise number 5 and this activity only. Students, अगर आपको याद हो तो ये word हमने इसी exercise में, इसी activity में अभी just थोड़ी देर पहले किया है. So what will be the opposite of strong? Yes, it will be weak. क्या होगा? Weak. So write it. लिखिए WEWEAK. Weak. I'm repeating again the spelling of weak. 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 Now the next word is old. 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 Now what is the opposite of old? Old का opposite क्या होगा students? So the opposite of old will be new. What it will be? New. So लिखिए NEW. 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 Done. Okay, so let us move to the next page, that is page number 13. So the 19th word is just. What is the 19th word? Just. 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 And what will be the opposite of just? Just का opposite क्या होगा students? Now again coming to the rule number 2, where you can add UN to the words and make their opposites. As per rule number 2 के according students, हम इस word के आगे UN add करके इसका opposite बना सकते हैं. So what will be the word? UN. Write it. लिखिए UNJUST. 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 Done. Now the next word will be down. What is the next word? Down. 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 And what will be the opposite of down? It will be up. Down का opposite क्या होगा students? Up. So लिखिए UP. Up. Write it. लिखिए UP. Up. Down. Up. Now coming to the next word 21, that is something. What it is? Something. SOME, some. THING, thing, something. It is a compound word. Okay, so what will be the opposite of something, students? Something का opposite क्या होगा? Yes, it will be nothing. क्या होगा? Nothing. So write it. लिखिए NOTHING. क्या होगा समथिंग का ऑपोजिट? NOTHING, nothing. Now 22, the word is honor. What is the word? Honor. Here H is silent. Students, इस वर्ड को हम पढ़ेंगे ऑनर ओ से, क्योंकि एच यहाँ पर साइलेंट है. हम स्पेलिंग में एच लिखेंगे लेकिन उसे हम रीड करते वक्त प्रोनाउंस नहीं करेंगे. ओके, इट विल बी रेड एज ऑनर. इसे हम ऑनर पढ़ेंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द ऑपोजिट ऑफ ऑनर? ऑनर का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स? अगेन coming back to the rule number 1, if you add DIS in the words like honor, it will make an opposite of it. Students, अगर आप रूल नंबर 1 याद करें तो उसमें कहा गया है कि अगर आप डिस लगा देंगे DIS किसी वर्ड के आगे तो वो उसका ऑपोजिट वर्ड बना देगा. ओके, नॉट एवरी वर्ड, सारे वर्ड्स नहीं, बट सम वर्ड्स. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनके आगे आप DIS लगाएंगे तो उसका ऑपोजिट बन जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी विल ऐड DIS बिफोर ऑनर. हम DIS लगाएंगे ऑनर से पहले. सो लेट अस राइट अवर आंसर. चलिए लिखते हैं हमारा ऑपोजिट ऑनर के लिए. लिखिए DIS डिस, HONOUR, DIS HONOUR, dishonor. Done? Okay, so what will be the next word? What is our next word? It is end. What it is? End. हमारा अगला वर्ड क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? End. And what will be the opposite of end? End का opposite क्या होगा students? It will be start. क्या होगा? Start. So write it START. 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 Done? Okay. So now here, coming to the next word, that is friend. हमारा अगला वर्ड क्या है? Friend. FRIEND, friend. FRIEND, friend. So what will be the opposite of friend? Friend का opposite क्या होगा students? Yes, it will be enemy. क्या होगा? Enemy. So write it. लिखिए ENEMY. 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 Done? Okay. So coming to our next word, that is soon. हमारा अगला वर्ड क्या है? Soon. 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 So what will be the opposite of soon? Soon का opposite क्या होगा students? It will be late. What it will be? Late. क्या होगा वो? Late. LATE. Write it. लिखिए LATE. Late. Okay. So What is our next word? That is cool. Cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. C-O-O-L. Cool. And what will be the opposite of cool? It will be, the opposite of cool will be hot. What it will be? Hot. Write it. लिखिए H-O-T. Hot. H-O-T. Hot. Now coming to our next word, that is open. What is our next word? Open. O-P-E-N. Open. So what will be the opposite of open? Students, open का opposite क्या होगा? Close. What will be the opposite of open? Close. क्या होगा? Close. तो लिखिए C-L-O-S-E. C-L-O-S-E. Close. Done? So the next word is black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. And the opposite of black will be white. Opposite क्या होगा black का? White. So write it. लिखिए W-H-I-T-E. W-H-I-T-E. White. Okay. So the next word is bad. B-A-D. Bad. And the opposite of bad will be good. What will be the opposite of bad? Good. So write it. लिखिए G-O-O-D. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Okay. So what is the last word of our activity? That is give. हमारे एक्टिविटी का लास्ट वर्ड क्या है? Give. G-I-V-E. Give. And the opposite of give will be take. क्या होगा opposite give का? Take. So write it. T-A-K-E. T-A-K-E. Take. So let us check our answers. So the first one is small, second one is few, third one is noisily, fourth one is built, fifth one is spread, sixth one is come, seventh one is strong, eighth one is harmless, ninth one is dislike, 10th one is full, 11th is left, 12th is hate, 13th is ugly, 14th soft, 15 cruel, 16 poor, 17 weak, 18 old. Now coming to page number 13. 19 is unjust, 20 up, 21 nothing, 22 dishonor, 23 start, 24 enemy, 25 late, 26 hot, 27 open, close, 28 white, 29 good, and 30 take. Okay students, so you have to read exercise number 5 and understand it. Okay students, आपको एक्सरसाइज नंबर 5 पढ़ना है और उसे अच्छे से समझना है होमवर्क में. ओके, आई होप you like the video. Thank you for watching.